Díomh Cardia is Misha Brónagh agus Fuiseoige and Ciorcal fuála. This week we'll be making different shape masks. For this one, what you actually do is get a large pot lid and you draw the circle and cut it out. After this, you just fold it in half, cut it, and then fold them in half again and cut them, and you'll get 4 of these. What you do with these is put them fabric side together and just sew along the round side. Do that for both of them, and then you just iron along the crease here. Put them right side together. And what you'll do now is sew along, but make sure you leave a space at one of the ends. Now in the space you've left, you just use that to turn it right side out. Now, on the end, just put your elastic in, fold over, and then stitch them into place. And there you have your face mask. Again, you can do all this with hand stitching. I've just done it on the machine for quickness for the video.